In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable account numbers on QuickBooks Online. Having account numbers turned on makes your bookkeeping cleaner, more organized, and much easier to read, especially if you're working with an accountant or managing a growing chart of accounts. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means so you can follow along in your own QuickBooks Online file. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look up at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon, which looks like a small cog. Go ahead and click that. This icon is where QuickBooks keeps most of the main settings and tools you'll use to customize your file. From the menu that opens after you click the gear, look for the option called Account and Settings. Click on that. This opens a new window where you control many of the core preferences for your company, including how your chart of accounts behaves. On the left-hand side of the Account and Settings window, you'll see several tabs. Find the one labeled Advanced and click on it. The Advanced tab is where QuickBooks keeps more detailed options, including settings related to your accounting, automation, and your chart of accounts. Now, scroll down in the Advanced tab until you see the section called Chart of Accounts. Within this section, you'll notice a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click that pencil icon to open the Chart of Accounts settings. Here, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Account Numbers. Check this box to turn on account numbers for your chart of accounts. This allows you to assign numbers to each account, which can make searching, sorting, and reporting much easier and more consistent. Right below that, you'll also see an option called Show Account Numbers. If you want those numbers to actually display on your reports and on your transactions, like invoices and bills, make sure to check this box as well. If you leave it unchecked, you can still use numbers internally, but they won't appear on printed or shared documents. Once you've selected the options you want, look toward the bottom of the Chart of Accounts section and click Save. This locks in your changes so QuickBooks remembers your preferences. Finally, in the top right corner of the Account and Settings window, click Done to exit out of Settings and return to your main QuickBooks screen. Your account numbers are now enabled and ready to use throughout your chart.